Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on Android. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open your phone settings. Then you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see this option system. Just simply tap on this system and then in settings you have to tap on this my phone. In my phone you can scroll down and you can see this option here, version info. Just simply tap on it and then you can see this build number. Just tap on it like 7 times and you can see this. Now you have to enter your password and you can see you are now a developer. So that's how you can on developer mode in Android. You can turn it off by tapping on it again like this and it will turn off. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn on developer mode in Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.